Hello, welcome you on Allied Insurance World according to the Insurance Journal. The newest front in climate change later legal battles. In this news, we are sharing an important US topic. Climate change litigation has more than doubled in the past 7 years globally, according to a June report by the London School of Economics, and is moving beyond traditionally polluting industries such as fossil fuel production at the COP27 climate takes in UN experts last week warned that many corporate environmental claims amounted to empty slogans and hype. This call emboldened companies to launch more legal cases against climate action leaders. Meanwhile, litigation against big oil countries faced with climate campaigns notching a notable win on the world stage in 2021 when a court ordered Royal Dutch shell to drastically cut emissions in the United States. Cities and states remain on course in early efforts to bring actions BP and others to trial, hoping they can get the companions to help pay for climate adaptations measures like seawalls of energy efficiency upgrades. The oil companions say they cannot be held responsible for a global phenomenon such as climate change and that policy change should come for governments, not courtrooms. Below, I'll look at some of climate litigation's newest largest plastics companies that make and market plastics which are derived from fossil fuels have been defending against a growing set of cases worldwide focused on the waste from the obligate packaging material. In July, a U.S. federal judge in California granted preliminary approval for a $10 million settlement after a single-serve coffee U.S. company Keurig was sued by consumers who accused it of incorrectly marketing its cups as recyclable, even though they are not in many localities. Keurig has done wrongdoing, and liability. Another suit filed in California, a state court in 2020 by the U.S. environmental group Earth Island Institute against Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Nestle, and several other global consumers. Companies six called those companies accountable for the alleged contributions to all plastic pollution. The suit raises public nuisance branch of warranty and negligence claims. The companies have denied the allegations in the lawsuit but have made public promises to work to avoid plastic pollution. In January, Coca-Cola, Pepsi, and other international brands called for a global pact to combat plastic pollution, including by cutting plastic productions. Internationally, climate activists have charged plastic makers by challenging government building permits for facilities that produce plastic. Suit announced their hereby London-based environmental law for client arts and other non-profits in trying to kill a $3.1 billion plastics production facility proposed by British petrochemical against Iran's intelligence, claiming approvals by the Flemish government failed to take into account the environmental impact of the plastic productions. The facility will convert fractured shale gas into ethylene, a key building block for durable and single-use plastics, according to the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency. INEOS did not respond to a request for comment but has said the facility is the largest petrochemicals. Investment in the area indicates and will create thousands of jobs. Food industry climate activists also have targets the food industry. Climbing companions overstate how climate friendly their products are. Sweden-based Oatly, which advertises its oat-based milk alternative as the result of a less water-intensive process than that of traditional dairy milk, was hit with three lawsuits in 2021 by investors who claimed in U.S. federal court in New York. The statements now amounted to greenwashing, in which a company touts its operations as more environmentally sustainable than they are. An Oatly spokesperson declined to comment on pending litigations. In Denmark, the European Union's biggest pork producer, Danish Crown, was hit with a lawsuit last year alleging the company misbalanced its climate footprint through marketing that says its production is more climate friendly than you think. Danish Crown did not respond to a request for comment but has pledged to reduce greenhouse gas emissions by 50% in 2030. A lawsuit filed by indigenous group in France claims French supermarket chain Casino has systematically violated human rights and environmental laws by selling beef linked to land grabbing and deforestation in the Amazon rainforest. The company has claimed it has a rigorous policy establishing set criteria for supply to comply with, including zero Amazon deforestation and no slave-like working conditions. Bank and investment firms. The World Financial Giants will face claims by consumers who say they are failing to reduce environmental harms and are misrepresenting certain investments. Environmentally friendly, a group of environmental non-profits in October announced they have initiated a legal process in France against BNP Paribas, which the non-profits call the largest financier of fossil fuel expansion in Europe. The group claims the fossil fuel investment violate the French duty of vigilance law, requiring corporations to identify and reduce environmental harms. The group, led by Oxfam, France, and friendly of the Earth France, called the move an unprecedented legal action. BNP Paribas did not respond to a request for comment. A German consumer group in October sued Deutsche Bank Asset Management unit DWS, alleging it misrepresented a fund green credentials in marketing materials. The lawsuit claims DWS told investors that it invest 0% in controversial sectors such as coal, but elsewhere indicate revenue from the coal industry accounts for as much as 15% of the fund's revenue. DWS has repeatedly misleading investors. Thanks for watching. I hope you will like my video. Please do not forget to subscribe our channel, Allied Insurance. See you soon in the next video. Thank you.